Okay, so I'm gonna start over here in the Valentine's Day stuff. They got some cute pillows. $17.99 for the red and black, and they even have it in gold and white. Lots of wall decor. I'll step back so you guys can see. 40% off of the Valentine's Day stuff. This is cute. I llama you a lot. Oh, this is cute. You plus me stuck like glue. I like that. How much is that? $3.99 with 40% off. I'm stuck on you, and you can put photos on that. And they got the cups. These are $2.99. They got different ones. And then it looks like the rest of this stuff is just like table scatter, bags, plates, and stuff. So let's go around the corner. Before I get around the corner, let me show you these cups. Look at that face. How cute is that? $4.99. So they have that kind of look, and then this one up here. So two different faces. Up here, just a girl boss building her empire. I love that cup. $11.99. And these cute little trinket dishes. So I was walking away from the Valentine's Day stuff, and I happened to see those, as well as this stuff right here. Coffee and mascara. That is $8.99. Hello Sugar. I love that cup. That's $11.99. Coffee is my love language. And then they got different little cups over here. Okay, so now back to Valentine's Day. Here is a lot of crafting stuff. Lots of stuff over here. Let's see, they got their Valentine's washi tape over here. Here's some emojis. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. The little cactus with the hearts and stuff on it for $4.99. Then they have thin washi. And back there, there's some hearts. Can you see that? Some hearts, and you get a 2-pack with the glitter washi. Those are pretty. $2.49. These are cute. Oh, these are cute. Those are $1.99, but everything over here is 40% off. And you got the little heart keychains. More stickers. So they put all their Valentine's Day stuff over here. Lots of stickers. Oh, these are cute. And then now starts the Easter stuff. So you got all these garland, little egg garlands. Let's see. Lots of craft stuff, and then lots of plates. Behind me is a few of these. What are these? $5.99 for the little rabbits. So you got, you got one sitting down, and then the one that's kind of standing up. Oh, look at these. She has on a flower headband. Those are $2.99. They got some cute stickers. They always do. $2.99. Here's their Easter washi tape. Oh, these are pretty. And then they also have these up here with the gold foil on them for $1.99. $2.99 wall hanging. What are these? Oh, I thought they were salt and pepper shakers, but they're not. Just little decor for $3.99. So you have the white bunnies and the brown bunnies. And then just a bunch of stuff for you to craft with. With these clips, stickers. Oh, these are bunny stickers and they're wood. Those are cute. A little nest. You got the little moss bunnies. And then they start with the the St. Patrick's Day stuff. So I'm not gonna go through all of this. I'll quickly scan it and then we'll head on to another area. Let's see what their washi tape look like. Oh, it's cute. It has the pot of gold, rainbows, and then the green and gold. I like that. Oh, that's a cute towel. That's super cute. $5.99. That's pretty. Oh, look at that. It has that gold jewel on the end with the rainbow for $2.99. And then down this section is just a bunch of eggs, grass, and candy. So we're gonna pass this and some baskets. Let me see if there's any super cute baskets that hop out at me. Oh, those are cute. Nothing really. They all look about the same as every year, but they are cute. Over here I see plates, napkin ring holders, or napkin holders. Oh, these plates are pretty. Look at that. Those are $7.99. This is really cute. What is this? Little bunny plate, and look at the knife, has the ears on it. And how much was that? $11.99. These little plates right here. Oh, this is really cute. They look vintage. Look at that. For $4.99. And I see yellow, blue, and pink. And I think there's a green. Yeah, and green. They have the egg holders, the little mini cake stands for $3.99. And some little baskets. And then this looks like just garland and wreaths. Oh, you guys know that caught my eye, huh? This gold bunny. I like that. See, this is something that I would buy, and when I'm playing with the kids or doing an egg hunt, I would hide him somewhere, and whoever found the gold bunny would get like the biggest prize. That's kind of what I would think to do with him. I like that, and I didn't see a price on that one. He's only $9.99. I might get that. This one has all kind of sparkles on it. Look at that. Super pretty. $11.99. Look at them. They are so cute. Oh, he looks like he's giving a flower to somebody. Oh, he's missing his ears, so he can't hear me anyway, but he's cute. Look at that. It's sad because they probably sit right on the edge and people drop them. So see, he's missing the ear too. Oh. And those. Oh, look at that. Look at those drawers right there. Those are cute. What is that? Those are only $99. That's kind of cool. I like that. And then the sides are white. That was really random, but this was at the end of the row. So look at that. They got all kind of stuff up there. Okay, let me get back over to the Easter stuff. And then behind me, there was a bunch of little tables. This one, you get the 3 plant stands. Did I say tables? I meant plant stands. I'm sorry, you guys. This is cute. $49.99, 40% off. And that's it over here. But what caught my eye just now is all of the storage baskets. Look at all of these colors they have, starting way down there. These are pretty. All different styles, different colors. Look at that. If you need to organize, this is the time. Spring cleaning. They even have black and red. And everything is 40% off. Oh, they're cute. You got the mother rabbit right here and the dad holding a cane. Okay, so I'm over here by all the spring stuff or the gardening stuff, but look at those planter cups up at the top. You can put plants in there. Those yellow cups look like a teacup, but then look at the ones underneath. Looking sharp. You grow girl. Those are cute. And little pots.
Spring, go call 911. Spring, go call 911.
These are some cute little pillows. Look at that. Every flower must grow through dirt. You have that, and then you have the You Grow Girl. I like that little saying. And these are $5.99. Okay, this pig wearing these boots are super cute. I think that is adorable. Let's see if I can find a price. She is $24.99 for that. Here's some of their little fairy stuff. That's $17.99. And then they got some more up there at the top. Oh, that one is cute. Looks like a boot. I can't really reach that. That looks like a mini version of the ones at Dollar Tree. That's cute. And the gnomes. Here's a little more of the spring stuff over here. Look at these placemats. $4.99 with a beautiful butterfly on it. You got these plates. That is beautiful. $4.99, and they have different birds on them. And you got some table runners up there with the dragonflies and the butterflies. That one says hello. Blessed. Lavender Farm. And some more. There's some paper towel holders down there. What did I just see? Oh, this is pretty. Can you see how it has the sparkle? There it is. Look at that. The sparkle at the top and the dots at the bottom. These are $7.99. And then I also saw this plate. Look at that. It's like a pink pearl. That's beautiful. Look at the way they have this set up behind me. This is so pretty. Look at that. I like this bench right here. I am definitely sure this is farmhouse. Now, what is this down here? Looks like a clam, and the salt and pepper shaker are the pearls. That's different. I've never seen anything like that before. That is $11.99. Oh, I like that. Original Sauce Boss. $5.99. And here's some more cups over here. You got the little tumblers. Some of those. Little unicorn, sloth. I'm a sucker for cups. These are cute. That one looks like a cow. A cow's udders. And then they have more pictures over here. And I think this is the last row for the seasonal stuff. Look at that ladybug. So after this, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here because I still wanna go next door and check out what is inside of Ross. So you guys stay tuned and I will see you over there. I'm gonna finish walking this row and then go right out the door. Oh, look at this. It's like a giant tag. Look at that. That is so cute. That is $25.